Hello everyone, Judith Richard. I'm the broker owner of Perfect Choice Properties in Concord, and I'm doing part 2 of VA financing with Paula Frenette from Embrace Home Loans.
Good morning, how are you?
I'm great, how are you
Thank you
doing?
for inviting me again, I appreciate it.
Well, I'm glad you could come back, and we're going to do part 2 of this because we got through a lot of information, but there was so much more I think we could have talked about.
Absolutely.
And there was a couple of things I wanted to know about limits. Are there loan limits by county, by, obviously you got to qualify for them, I get that, but I
Right.
thought maybe you could explain, like, I'm in Merrimack County, but you're out in Rockingham, so.
Okay. So the VA doesn't give you just little low limits of what you can get for a house. I actually brought a chart of what the VA allows.
Okay.
So let's just say you wanted to get a single family in, we're in Merrimack County.
We're in Merrimack County,
Okay.
yes.
So single family in Merrimack County, your loan limit for a VA loan is $510,400. That's the loan, not the purchase price of the house. So you could buy a home more expensive than that, but they're going to lend up to $400,000.
That's could be a reasonable home.
Significant. But
That's-
now you're saying, oh, well, Paula, I'm sorry, it's in Stratford County or Rockingham County. Their limits, because homes are a little more expensive there on a single family home, $690,000 for a single family home.
And that's in Rockingham
That's in
County.
Rockingham County. A 4-family home in Rockingham County, $1.326,950,000.
Wow.
So it's not, some people think, oh, a VA loan is only to get me this little single family home. They do have the option to get you anywhere from a single family to a 4-family,
Okay.
as long as you're going to live in the house. Keep in mind that home has to be the roof over your head.
Okay.
It can't be an investment property or a second property. It could be a condo. It could be a manufactured home. So there's all different options.
So the manufactured home, does it have to be on its own land? Can it be in a co-op park or just in a regular park? What's their...
For Embrace Home Loans, we don't do them in a park. So
Okay.
I'm not familiar with that guideline.
Okay.
But on its own land, yes, we can do.
Okay. Well, that's
Okay.
good to know.
Yep.
Just to go back for a second, not so much on the guidelines, but I can purchase a 4-family then. But as you said, that the requirement is I got to live in one of the units.
Correct. But keep in mind, if you don't think your physical income isn't going to cover it, they're going to look at the income that the property is going to generate also.
So they're going to look at the other 3 units, and if it's, say, it's $1,000 a month, each one of those units, they're going to take a percentage of that $1,000 and
Correct.
sort of add it back into my income.
Correct.
And that gives me the guidelines of how
Yep.
far up I can go. Well, that's very good.
Yep.
All right, so my dad wants to loan me some money or give me some money.
God love your dad.
I know, right?
Awesome guy.
So,
Awesome.
So, any requirements, any reasons that my dad can't? I'm buying the property with the VA loan because I'm the veteran, but this is all pretend. I never served, but, thank you for those of you that did serve.
Absolutely.
But Dad wants to give me some money to help me.
If Dad wants to gift you money, you can get a family member to gift you money. There's a difference between gifting or if Dad's loaning you money.
Okay, so
So
Dad's
it has
going
to be a
gift
gift.
it.
Dad's
Yes.
going to gift you money, and it's a pretty simple process. We source where the funds came from, that they were actually Dad's money to give.
So Dad has to prove his assets.
Exactly,
Okay.
exactly. So it's a simple thing where we just show their bank statement, they have it, get a gift letter, and a copy of the check that he's giving you.
Okay, so the gift letter guidelines for the gift are under IRS rulings versus the VA.
I don't know what you mean by that question.
Okay, so the IRS says, to give a gift, it's capped at a certain dollar amount. I don't remember
Okay,
that.
you would have to talk to your tax accountant if you're gifting over the IRS limits.
Okay.
You want to talk to your tax accountant and just know if you're going to have any gifting implication. But say Mom and Dad wanted to gift you money, and I think the IRS limits are like $14,000.
Yes, it's in that area.
And let's say you're married. Mom gifts you $14,000. Dad gives you $14,000. Mom gifts your husband $14,000, and Dad gifts your husband $14,000. Check with your tax accountant. I think that makes you exempt from the gift tax. So
very
again,
interesting.
you want a loan officer with over 20 years experience
Of course.
to point you in the right direction. I'm not going to give you tax
Right, none of us can unless we're
tax
CPAs.
laws or whatever, but I've got a
Right.
great CPA that I can hook you up with, or investment person.
It's been absolutely fascinating, very interesting. I can't tell you how much I appreciate you coming
Thank you.
in, and I have a feeling we could do another one of these videos on. just on VA.
Oh man, well, this could
financing.
just go on for hours.
Yes, it could.
But again, get a good lender. That's the bottom line.
Bottom line. So from me, Judith Richard at Perfect Choice Properties, and Paula Frenette from Embrace Home Loans, for those of that who have served, currently serving, we thank you for your service.
Thank you.